Hey everyone and welcome to the another. If you are wondering now how I created this video is the right for you. It is really simple and easy without any third plugins. Don't forget to like the video and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Without any further ado, let's get into it. Okay, let's get started. As always, I have downloaded this file from FreePic and just save it as AI or Adobe Illustrator. Let's go to the After Effects. Just double click in this project panel and bring up your file. Make sure you're gonna import it as composition, retain a layer size. Double click on it and you can see your file here. Don't forget to rasterize it. When you rasterize it, you're gonna have hard edges at the edge, which is quite cool. Select the layer, go to edit and copy it. We need our composition. It would be for about 6 seconds at least. Let me change some details here. The composition name would be matches and the size 1 to 80, no difference. And this is an Instagram post. Okay, go to the edit and paste the layer. Let me fit up to 200. Okay. To animate our motion with a fire, we need a controller. Controller would be a null object, would be a layer, would be a solid layer, would be a text, whatever. In the timeline, right click and select new layer, add a null object. Hold down Option Command Home and add the anchor point center. For me, it's Option Command and Home, and then Command and Home. I will add it to the center. For the Windows users, it would be, I guess, Control Alt Home. And I want to match my layer to the center of the controller. Let's rename this one. It would be controller. Let's see. Okay, it's great. Let's parent our layer to the controller because we want to animate this controller and the hand. Okay, we need a fire. Let's add a solid. It is called fire. The color is no difference, and make sure you're gonna add as comp size. And that's it. We're almost done. Let's go to effects and presets. Search for CC particle system 2. Add to your solid. When you press spacebar, you can see your particle here. In the physics, we need to change the animation to fire, as you can see. And in the particles, we need to change some details here. I'm going to change the line to bubbles and the depth to the birth. The depth would be 0 and the birth would be 0.60. I love this one. And about the color, it's not too yellow or lemon. It would be like this, and the orange. I guess this one much better. And about the opacity, I would add it to 70. Birth rate gonna be 1 point something, and the longevity would be 1 point, I don't know, something like this. Let's fix this one. Reduce the opacity to see the center. Okay, and put it back. Let me create some space here. I minimize the CC particle. Okay, for now I would like to animate our controller. Press P and go to position. Add a keyframe here for about a second. move your controller to the end of your composition, and we want to have a loop here. Go to the beginning of the timeline, hold down Option and left click. It's gonna be Alt and left click on Windows users. Just simply type here loop out, and in the parentheses add like what I added here, ping pong, and I don't want to animate it 2 times. It would be like this. We have a loop here, which is great. Okay, let's add some specific effects in our fire. Select the fire, go to the effects and presets, add CC vector blur. You can double click on it, or you can drag and drop to the line that you want. We need to change some details here. The amount would be 40. As you can see, we have a beautiful vector, and the type direction would be the center, direction to the center. Okay, great. And in the second effects, I would say let's add a level in our project file. I'm gonna change the channel to alpha, and let's see the difference. Can you see the glow inside? It would be like this for me, which is quite great. Let me create some space here. And the fourth level, it would be turbulent displacement. Turbulent displacement, just add it to the effects control, and the size would be 25, and the amount would be 40. 40 is quite good for me. And then open up the evolution option. We have a random seed. Hold down Alt and left click, or Option left click here, and we need to add expression here. It would be time times 12, which is quite good for me. Let's see, what do we have? Okay, great. Let's add the Colorama into it. I added Colorama here, and if you go to the modifier, you can uncheck the modify alpha. It would be like this for you, and if you uncheck it, it would be great. Okay, let's go to output cycle and change use presets palette to the fire. Quite nice. We have a fire here. You can change the color if you want. And let's add echo in our layer. I would say it would be 2, and the amount is 1. It depends on you what you want to do. For me, I don't really like the echo, but I added here. Let's run preview. Okay, I added here, but I don't want to have echo in our project. Let's add scatter into our layer. It would be 10. See, you have a scatter at the edges. I want to change the birth rate. Let me change the longevity. Okay, sometimes I use it with echo and sometimes without echo. And about the scatter, you can check or uncheck it. Okay, let me fix my animation. Press U. To see the keyframes, right click and easy ease them. Let's change the curvature here. So that's it for this tutorial. Don't forget you can download the object file for free in the description. Thank you for watching the video. I will see you in the next one. Please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like the video. See you in the next one.